So how worried should the holidaymakers be?
Well, they're certainly going to have to do a bit of extra planning, Ben, and perhaps have a sense of adventure as well. This is a typical scene in France now. The forecourt is empty and closed. The pumps have run dry. There's nothing up on the board because they just don't have any fuel. And there's an awful lot of service stations just like this. There is fuel to be had. You might have to queue for some time for it, and then it may well be rationed to about 20 euros or 20 litres worth of fuel. And there's also the disruption from the strike action to think about. Heading into Paris, well, watch out for this. Take a look at these pictures from last night in Paris. You've got pretty violent scenes on the streets, the police reacting with force to these protests against these changes in French labour laws. And it's not just Paris where this is happening. Just yesterday here in Caen, I came across a wildcat strike with things burning in the streets.